헤이야 헤이야.
Okay, okay.
No.
Aha!
Okay.
헤이야 헤이야.
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
A few minutes later.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Goodbye.
What?
Huh?
Oh no! Oh my gosh! Huh?
Hey, okay. Hey, let's go.
Go, go, go! Hello! Ha!
Okay, let's go.
Well, hello.
Okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Hello!
Let's go. Okay.
Hooray!
Oh yeah, let's go.
Three days later.
Whoa!
Okay. Yeah.
Santa and the Christmas Wish. The Christmas atmosphere is spreading everywhere. Santa is decorating the Christmas tree. Be careful!
Hey, you go play somewhere else.
Mario and Luigi still don't stop. Oh no! Everything is falling apart!
Oh, my back.
So, everything is in ruins.
My Christmas. You two ruined my Christmas. Oh my goodness.
I will go to the forest to find another Christmas tree. Good idea! Santa, wait for me!
In the pine forest. But there are no beautiful Christmas trees left, only bare tree trunks.
What should we do? What if we plant our own Christmas tree?
Thinking leads to action. Mario picks up some pine cones and puts them back in the truck. Next, we probably need to separate the pine seeds, right? At a friend's house.
Hello?
Hello?
Can you help me separate pine seeds?
Okay. Wow, is this a pine seed separator? Let's see how the machine works. The first pine seeds have appeared. Each seed is big and round. In this way, the number of pine cones decreases. A perfect seed separator. Here are your pine seeds.
Wow, thank you so much. Goodbye.
Back at the farm. Mario brings the pine seeds. The seeds are evenly spread on the ground. Rows of seeds in straight lines, neat and tidy. Next, the seeds need to be buried in the soil.
Huh?
Why is there no water in the well?
Mario pushes a wheelbarrow to the pond to get water. Oh no!
Oh no! What if I create an automatic watering system?
Mario probably goes to buy materials.
I'm here! I want to make an automatic watering system.
Okay.
Go! Go, 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 go!
Back at the farm. This tank will be placed next to the pond. Water is taken from the pond, completing the watering system between the rows. Water starts spraying, watering the entire farm. Wow, the Christmas trees grow quickly! A whole garden of green and beautiful Christmas trees. Mario selects the most beautiful trees.
Let's go back to Santa.
There probably won't be any Christmas trees left.
Santa Claus!
Huh?
I apologize.
Very beautiful Christmas trees. Thank you.
Mario and Luigi start the tractor race. Everything is ready. Both are extremely excited. The referee takes his position. Enthusiastic fans. The race begins. Oh, the referee is a bit careless.
Hey, stop!
Sorry, Mario. Come on, Mario. The race is extremely tense, with both cars chasing each other closely. Oh, is Luigi playing dirty?
Oh, it hurts. My car.
Will Mario continue the race?
Ha!
Luigi, wait up.
Mario speeds off to catch Luigi. The road is rocky, but both are still trying hard.
Hit the road!
Hey, hey!
Wow! Fantastic leap by Luigi. Luigi safely lands.
Haha, I'm almost winning.
Mario prepares to make a leap. But what's happening?
Come on, let's go.
Oh no!
Iron Man, quickly help me with some fuel.
Sure.
Mario seems impatient.
Mario, I'm still here waiting for you. I'm so frustrated.
Oh, Mario speeds away, pulling the fuel pump along. Stay calm, Mario. Uh-oh, the fuel pump catches fire. What will Mario do?
Help! Help me!
Luigi leaves, not helping Mario. No! Luigi goes to get a water bucket to put out the fire.
Over there is a fire. I need your water bucket.
Sure.
Thank you.
Luigi quickly pulls the water bucket to rescue. Not sure how Luigi will put out the fire. Let's see. Well done, Luigi!
The fuel pump needs to be placed back in the right position.
Let's go.
All right! Where is Mario heading?
Hello, Hook. Hello, Mario.
Oh, does Mario want to rebuild the fuel pump? A bucket full of cement.
Oh, yes.
I'm back.
Let's see how Mario and Luigi build the new fuel pump. First is pouring cement. Cement will help stabilize the fuel pump. The fuel pumps are placed one by one.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
In the final stretch of the race, the fans are extremely excited. Who will be the winner?
Thank you, everyone.
We want to win together.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Hey. Oh, I'm sorry.哈哈，对哦，有没有人西班牙这个是
Ah, okay.
Hey, let go. Bye.
Wow!
Bye.
Ouch!
여기 go. 여기 go.
Goodbye!
Oh no. Let's go. 여기 go. Let's go.
Whoa, whoa!
Let's go. Let's go.